We are going to be copying Bradmondo's Sabrina Carpenter haircut. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I didn't want to try it on myself, so I have my lovely mannequin head, Natalie, here to assist. So let's go ahead and get started. If you don't know who Bradmondo is, he is a hair influencer. He also has hair products. He's very big on YouTube. He does a lot of reaction videos. They're really funny and fun to watch. Now, I am hopeful. However, I am not hopeful enough to try it on my own hair. So that's why we have Miss Natalie back here. Here is Natalie. You can see her hair is very, very long. No layers. We're gonna turn your head here, girl. I thought it'd be fun to give her that haircut to really zhuzh up her hair. Now, first thing he does is he puts his mannequin's hair into a ponytail. He says, don't do it high. That is a big mistake if you do it too high. So you want it like a gym ponytail. He brushes all of her hair back. Now you can see how rough I am. I would make a terrible hairstylist. I'm like, me. I got this off of Amazon. They say it's real hair. And I did dye it recently in my last video. Not dye it, but I tried to use like hair chalk on it and it worked pretty well. I feel like that's not too high, not too low. It looks about the same placement as Brad's. Now, what he does next is he grabs hair from under here and he just pulls out a section of hair. Oh, sorry, girl. And he takes it and he basically measures how far you should cut it. It's probably like a good 2 inches. All right, I have no hair experience, so we're just gonna cut. Oh my gosh, these scissors are dull. These scissors are bad. So we're just gonna cut like that. That doesn't look terrible. She cute, she cute. This is what we're working with right now. Next step, Brad. Next up, now he pulls all the hair in the front of her face and does the same kind of thing. So let's do that. Yes, I can do hairstyles, but I cannot cut hair. That is beyond me. All right, we're just gonna tilt her down like this. There we go, that's easier. How am I supposed to get this? Oh shoot, her head popped off. Cool, that works. So we're just gonna take a section off here at the bottom. Okay, and we measure it with the hair. That is quite a bit, can you guys see that? So, I guess it's just what we're supposed to do. So that's like a good couple inches. I mean, Brad knows what he's doing, so. What do we think? Is it giving? Does it look any better? I'm gonna do a little bit more because at this step, Brad's like, don't be afraid to take a good, decent amount off. So I'm not gonna be afraid. Nope, not my hair. All right. Anyone know of any like good scissors that you can get if you're not a hairstylist? How we looking, girl? Okay, let's take this down. Let's see the damage that we've done. Okay, why do I not have like the layers like he did? What did I do wrong?
But this is the vision, I promise. Ooh, oh no.
All right, let's try this again. I'm not even gonna measure, I'm just gonna chop. Here we go. I mean, that was a pretty big chop, okay? You guys see? We cut quite a bit off. Now back to putting her hair in front of her face. You can see like where the shorter hair is and longer, so I think we definitely have to even that out, right? I feel like we need more off. Grand reveal. Okay. Oh. She definitely doesn't have bangs. Like, what the heck? I did something, I just don't know what I did. I'm gonna try to make these shorter. Oh my gosh. There's something happening here. Yikes. here's what we are looking like right now. We're gonna try one other tutorial just from Brad to see if we can fix this. I mean, there's some kind of layers, right? Like the front seems to be even. Oh no, it's not. Could be worse, right? Tell me it could be worse. Almost kind of looks like a wolf cut or something. We did something, I just don't know what we did, and it's very uneven. Editing Lainey here, and somehow the second video of me doing this next cut you're about to see got lost or corrupted. I don't know, so I'm sorry, but this is what it looks like. You can see the vision there, right? I mean, it just was poorly executed. The back does not look too terrible, I don't think. The front, yeah, we struggled with the front. I feel like when it's styled though, it'll not look too terrible. Oh, that piece, what is that? Oh my. All right, I'm gonna stop here. It's so uneven. Let's style her. This mannequin's hair is not curling, which leads me to believe this is not real human hair. So the person selling this on Amazon is a scammer, and I'm gonna give them a bad review because look at her head after I just curled it. I mean, it curled it a little, but I used my really good Bio-Ionic curling iron and it did nothing. And I use this all the time, so I know it works. It's her hair. So this is the best we got. I'll do a final spin. So that's it. I didn't do a good job, and I'm not going to be cutting anyone's hair ever again anytime soon, besides my kids. It's me again. I feel like if I would have just stopped at the first cut, looking back, it doesn't look too terrible to me. The second cut, however, I'm like, oh gosh, that looks really freaking bad. So I should have just stopped at the cut one. I think it would have been okay, but I kept going and I made it worse. So any hair cutting techniques, tips, strategies, anything you have for someone like me who clearly doesn't know what they're doing, drop them down below. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try again. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.